Hey guys, my name is Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. For today's video, I wanted to make a moon lamp and a rain cloud lamp that I see all the time to see if they actually look good in person. So let's get started. We're going to start out by making the moon lamp, and for this project, grab some cardboard, and this is just a piece of an old box. And then trace out the shape of the cloud. Here I'm going over my cloud shape with a pen to make it darker so that you guys can see it a little bit better. And I'm adding a little section under the cloud so that I'll be able to prop this cloud up on a shelf that I have. But if you don't want to have it standing on a shelf, you don't have to do this part. And I see most people make this cloud and just stick it on their wall. Anyways, I'm cutting out my cloud. Now I'm painting the cloud white. Next, I'm taking some fairy lights that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to tape them onto the cloud, and you could also hot glue them on. Taking some old pillow stuffing, I'm gonna hot glue this on top of the cloud. And that's pretty much it for this lamp. This one is actually really cute in person, and in the finishing clip when you see the lights on the cloud, it actually lights up way more in the dark because these clips were filmed during the day. We're moving on to making the moon lamp, and for this one you're going to want to grab a balloon and then blow it up to the size of your liking. Whenever I see people make this moon lamp, they always use paper towels, so that's what I'm going to be using. And I used, I think, 4 or 5 of them, and so break them up into small pieces. We're going to make our paste, so grab a bowl and pour in some regular glue and mix in a little bit of water. Now dip pieces of your paper towel into the glue mixture and then place them on top of your balloon until the balloon is fully covered. I fully covered this balloon with 2 layers of the paper towels and in some spots 3 layers. So now I'm going to set this aside and let it dry for a few days. Now that our moon is dry, I'm going to pop the balloon inside of it and take it out. And then I'm also going to cut a hole in the moon so that I can like add in some fairy lights. And that's pretty much it for this project, guys. I didn't like this moon lamp very much. I don't know if it was like the paper towels. It just kind of looks like a circular paper towel that I stuffed fairy lights in. And I don't know, maybe it would have looked better if I would have used tissue paper or something. But yeah, the cloud lamp was a lot better than the moon lamp. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment and subscribe for more DIYs, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!